Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw one of my favorite animals, or I should say my favorite animal, and that is a tiger. Now, starting right here, I'm going to just start with the eye. So I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve like this, and then it's going to go up like that. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a little line down, and then a little line that goes down here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to kind of curve around for the nose. And then starting here, I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to kind of go up and then down like this. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to go up and then down like this. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve down. I'm going to make it a little bit furry, and then kind of curve up like this. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go up, and then it's going to kind of go, it's kind of going to go out and then up, curve a little bit at the top. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up like this, and then it's going to go down. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of be kind of furry and zigzag. It's going to go up to there. I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's going to come down, kind of curve around for the ear. Add another little line right around here. Then right here, I'm going to add a line that's just going to kind of curve up, and then it's going to kind of come down like this for the other ear. Then I'm going to add a little line that's going to kind of curve up around here. And then I'm just going to kind of curve around this here. Now I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and then down for the neck. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down for the leg. I'm going to curve around here for one toe on the foot. Then I'm going to add another little line that's going to curve around for another one. And then I'm going to add one more right here. Then I'm just going to draw this line back up here, and it's going to kind of curve up. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go out. Draw a line that's going to kind of curve around, and then it's going to come down. And then I'm going to add another line that kind of does the same thing for another toe. And then I'm just going to kind of bring this line all the way up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to be a little bit zigzaggy and kind of pointy just to show that it's kind of furry. It's going to kind of go up and then down like this. I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down. It's going to come straight down here. Make a line that's just going to kind of curve around. It's going to go over. Then I'm going to go up, and then it's going to curve right into here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of go down, and then it's going to kind of curve into here. Another line that just kind of curves around for the foot. And then I'm going to make a line that just kind of goes up, and then it's going to curve right into here. Then I'm going to add a little curved line here for a toe, and then a little curved line here for a toe. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of go down. It's going to curve up. It's going to come around and then back to here for the tail. Now, we have our basic shape of the tiger. Now we want to add one of the most important things, and that is the spots. Or excuse me, the stripes. So, starting right here, I'm just going to add a couple little curved lines by the mouth. And the stripes are kind of all over the place. Now, they have like some big ones right here along the face that kind of slowly get bigger. So I'm going to add some right there. They have some that kind of go right around the eye. And then they have some that are right underneath the eye. Tigers have these little kind of like spots that almost kind of form stripes on their cheeks. I'm going to put a couple more kind of stripes right around here. Add a little line that goes down here and up here. They have really, really cool stripe patterns on their heads. Just kind of make some little lines that kind of go around there. I'm going to make some kind of long, wavy lines that kind of go down the back of the tiger. Some of these stripes, as you go down, I'm going to make them a little bit wider, and then I'm going to put a little V shape in there. That's kind of a little pattern that you see on a lot of tiger stripes. I'm going to make a lot of these just kind of follow the shape of the body. And I'm just going to kind of do some different little patterns in here. Kind of try some different things. You can kind of spread the stripes out a little bit. You can put some closer together, make some longer, make some skinnier, some wider, all sorts of different things you can do. I'm going to make some lines just kind of going all over the place. Then I'm going to add some kind of going down here, up around here. And then some more around here. And then some around there. I'm going to make some stripes at the bottom here. And you can just kind of put stripes all over. I'm going to put some on the legs. I'm going to fast forward this part real quick and then just kind of add in some more stripes. Okay, now that we finished our stripes, our tiger's almost done. We just want to add a couple more little details. I'm going to add a little bit of a kind of curved line right inside the ear there. And then right here, I'm just going to add a little circle for the pupil. And then I'm going to add a few long whiskers on our tiger. And there you go. There is your drawing of a tiger. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.